class, you all okay? Yes, you may have noticed that I am not Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green is off sick today, so I'll be taking a mathematics class, alright? Now, some of you may know me from English, I'm Mr. Jones. To those of you who don't know me, yes, my first name is Tom, and yes, I can sing very well, but to you, I'm Sir, okay? Now, you know I teach English and history, I don't really understand mathematics, I have to be honest with you. I want to get through this as much as you do, so Mrs. Green has prepared a test for you all. I'm sure you're thrilled. Now this test is just 14 questions, and she assures me that it's very simple. I'll dot around whilst you're doing the test and try to help as many of you as much as I can, but my knowledge of algebra is very limited, so you'll probably be able to help me more than I'll be able to help you. But what I'd like is to drink my coffee in peace while you guys quietly get on with your test. Okay? I'll pop around in a minute, I'll just hand these out and then we'll get started. Okay? Right. Okay. Hand out the rest of those for me, please. Thank you. Okay. Good. So, like I said, just put your hand up if you want and I'll come over and help, but otherwise just get on with the test quietly and hopefully we'll finish before the end of the day. Alright? Thanks guys. Good. Everything alright? It's quite noisy out there, isn't it? Okay. Are you okay there? No? What's up? Do you need help? Okay. Let's take a look. What have we got? Wow. Okay. Do you understand any of this? Yes? No? Okay. Well, I can try to help you. It's okay. If you don't ask, you can't learn. That's how people learn, isn't it? So we'll try our best together to sort out what on earth all of this is about. Okay? So what have we got first? Let's take a look at question number 1. You see that okay? Right. 230,000,000,000,000 in scientific notation. Okay. And do you know what that means? Okay. Neither do I. Don't tell anyone. We'll keep it a secret, but mathematics, not my strong suit. Okay, so let's think about it. So, right, I think that's 230 billion. So what we need to do is reduce that down in size, basically, and put a little number above it. So let's look at it. It's in tens, isn't it? So let's see. What we need to do, I would say, is use this formula. Let's do this. A times 10 to n. Okay. Can you see that okay? So A times 10 to n. And what do I mean by that, do you think? So A is a real number, like for example 1, let's say. Okay? So 1, let's just say it was 1, 10 and n is an integer, okay? So the n is an integer. That indicates that it's times by something, I guess. That's as far as I understand it. So what I would suggest we do is we take a look at the proper number, the real number, and in this case, it's that. Yeah, 23. But it's not 23, it's 2.3, okay? So 2.3. And what would we need to times 2.3 by in order to get 230 billion. Yeah, I know, it's a crazy number, isn't it? That's right. We count the zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 zeros. So let's put 10 there. So 2.3 times 10. Yeah? Does that make sense? But if we times 2.3 by 10, that doesn't make 230 billion, does it? No. So what we need to do is we need to do it to the power of something. Yes? Is that right? Yes? Okay. So, what power do we need to do it to? Let's say this is a number, 2.3. This is the number we times it by 10 to the power of what? How many numbers are in it? Yes. So we've put a little 11 there. Now I'm not sure what you call that in mathematics. An integer, I suppose. In English we'd call that superscript. Okay, so in scientific terms, 230 billion is written as 2.3 times 10 to the power of 11. Okay? Now, what have we got next? Evaluate. 30 minus 12 divided by 3 times 2. Okay. Whew. Division and multiplication. Again, not my strong suit. Just going to have a sip of my coffee. I hope that's okay. But I'm sure we can work it out together. So what order would you do this in? Left to right, yeah? Okay, good. So how do we do that then? Left to right, you say. So what, 12 divided by 3 times 2? What is that though? Okay, so we do, oh, I see what you're saying. Yes. So we work it out. So 12 divided by 3 times 2. What is that, like 4? Did you say? Yeah? Okay. So what now? 4 times 2? What's that? 8? Yeah, I hope. Okay. And then what do we? Okay, so the 30 minus, basically we're doing this, aren't we? So what we're doing is we're getting that bit in brackets, parentheses, 30 minus that. So that is 8. So what's 30 minus, that's right, I think, 22. So that's the answer to that one. That's the answer to that one. Look at that. We've already done 2 questions. Do you want to help some more? Do you think you can do some yourself? You want to help some more? Okay, no problem. Well, I think I'm learning something too, so it's helpful for both of us, isn't it? Okay. Cool. So, what's next? Number 3. Evaluate. What on earth is this? Does she teach you this all the time? This is complicated. So we've got like square brackets, I guess, here and here. And then square brackets there. And then parentheses there as well. Okay. So I think that in terms of what we do, first of all, we work out the inner brackets. Would you say yes? Yes? So, let's take a look. Actually, maybe I'll just come round, okay? So we can both do it in the same way round, yes? Oops. Sorry. Okay. Let's take a look. Alright, budge up a little bit. Thanks. Right, so if we do this as in order, we need to do the inner brackets first. So these, what's this one? 5 minus 11. It's 6, isn't it? Yeah? Those are minuses. Now here we have 4 minus 8 times minus 9, yeah? And just that, so 4 plus 72 then minus 5 minus 11, 76 minus 6, 70. Is that right? Do you think that's right? I'm not sure. Well, let's just keep going. I mean, what have we got to lose here? Eh? So, number 4, evaluate minus 18 plus 4, open parenthesis, 6 divided by 2, close parenthesis, squared. Wow, this is really difficult. I didn't think mathematics could be this difficult. So we have to work out the inner brackets first. Let's give it a go. Yeah? So we've got 18 plus 4, 6 divided by 2, squared equals, that's minus 18, isn't it? So it's minus 18 plus 4, 3 squared, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. Yes? So next up, we do the power next. So it's still minus 18 plus 4 times 9 in this case, because that is 3 to the power, 3 to the power 2, isn't it? Okay, which means 4 times 9 is 36, so it is minus 18 plus 36. So what does that equal? It's 18, isn't it? Because what's 2 times 18? Because 18 times 2 is 36. So minus 18 plus 36, you essentially minus 18 off it in this case. So it's 18. That's the answer. See, we're both learning something. This is good, right? Yes, I know I'm not the best mathematics teacher, but my PGCE is actually in English and history, so give me a break, okay? So let's try this one. 5. Evaluate 11 plus the square root of open parenthesis minus 4 divided by 6 times 4 divided by 3 close parenthesis. Well, this just seems ridiculous. But let's go with the rules that we've learned. So we do the inner brackets first, where 6 times 4 divided by 3 is, it's a multiplication and a division within the brackets, okay? So 6 times 4 divided by 3 equals 24 divided by 13 equals 8. So that means that 11 plus the square root, in this case, of minus 4, minus 4 plus 8. So the square root of 4. So 11 plus the square root of 4, the square root of 4 is 2, which means 11 plus 2, that's 13. See, that one was actually easy when you thought about it. This is crazy. I didn't even realise I was that good at mathematics. This is great. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Simplify 12. Oh my goodness, what's this one? Simplify 12 x 3 cubed minus 3. Gotta put the parentheses to. Right, well, let's do. So let's first expand terms. So actually 12 x cubed minus 3, 2 times 3 plus 4x minus 1 minus 5x plus 7 equals 12x3 minus 6x3 minus 12 times 3 x 5x plus 7. So then we just do equals 6, 3 minus 17x plus, I'm not sure. Let's do the next one. Let's do the next one, yeah? Let's simplify this. X to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 3, all to the power of 3. So we use the quotient of powers formula. I know that much. So xm over xn equals xmn, to simplify it, okay? That's fine. That's kind of like reversing it, you know? And again, we do the same with this one. So it is 3x over all of that gubbins. Be eventually x squared over 27. You see, algebra I get a bit more with because it's more like the written word. It's a little less like maths. Okay. Okay. I'm going to leave that one for you to do because we've gone through those. So let's do this. An inequality. 9 is less than the product of m and n. So that's quite easy. So 9 is less than m times n. 9 is less than the product of these two combined, times like that. Yeah? Multiplied. Okay. Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the line y equals 1 divided by 3x minus 7. Okay. So the two lines are perpendicular and the product of their slopes is equal to the slope. You solve. Good grief. You can work that one out too, yeah? I don't even get these perpendicular ones, slopes. What do they mean? Do you know what they mean? Okay. Let's just do an equation. Minus 5x plus 20 equals 25. That's easy, right? We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. So, subtract 20 from both sides. So, let's do that. 5x plus 20 minus 20 equals 25 minus 20. So, minus 5x equals 5. That's simple. Yeah. Okay. You happy with that? I'm happy if you're happy. Okay, cool. And then we divide both sides by minus 5. So x equals minus 1. Yeah? I am so bad at maths. Let's do the last one and then you can try the ones that we didn't look at and you can go over them as well, see how you get on, okay? Okay. But you see, you know, that you can just, yeah, okay. Right, so solve the inequality. Minus 3x plus 4 is less than minus 8. So what we need to do is subtract 4 from both sides. Minus 3x plus 4 minus 4 is less than minus 8 minus 4. Then simplify that. Minus 3 times under is less than minus 12. Minus 3x is less than minus 12. And then divide both sides by minus 3 and change the symbol of inequality. So x is greater than 4. How quick was that? Do you see me work that one out? So I think that this will give you a sort of basic understanding of what we're working. Now you've got 20 more minutes to go through this, okay? Work all these out for yourself, because I haven't shown the working here, I've just done it. And do the ones that not even I could do, okay? And you'll be absolutely fine, all right? Good luck, you'll need it.